Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you an intro that you can play in the key of C to start your favorite worship song. Again. Right? So it's very easy. We're in the key of C and it starts on the 4, which is F. So what we're doing here is playing the F inversion. Instead of playing the F in the right hand, we're playing it in the left hand. So that's basically a drop 2. So that's the first chord. The second chord is this. So instead of playing this, playing the E in the right hand, we're playing it down here. And you get that. The third chord is this. So it's like a C inversion, but we're not playing the C up here. We're playing it down here. So this movement now is on the 6. The right hand is playing this. So it's a little movement from the E flat to the D to the C. And the left hand is playing that. So the A and the F. Now we have this chord here for the 7 or the 5. So the right hand is playing this and the left hand is playing this. So this would be like you're playing the G with the added dissonance. So we're taking these two notes, the B and the C, from the right hand to the left hand. Now we're going to the 6. So the right hand is playing this. Or you can even play, if you can use your thumb and play both the D and the E. And the left hand is playing this. So we have. So no, this is a twirl here from the B, C, B, A. Right? And the left hand is on the sharp 4. So we have the F sharp, D, and the A. And when you hit the A, that's when this chord comes in. Now we have this for the 4. So the right hand, we have this chord. It's like a C, but I'm just omitting the G. And we have this in the left hand. So we have the F, D, and the G and the A. Alright, so in the right hand also, since we omitted the G, we can also omit the E and replace it with the G, and you get that sound. It's a slight change in the sound. Right, so it's up to you as to which one you prefer to use. And now, since we're at the 4, we can simply go back to the 1. Or we can do a walk up from the 6. So that's basically So the right hand is playing this. The left hand is playing this chord. And for the 7, we're playing this. Right hand and the left hand is playing this. And we're just keeping the chords open. So we have this in the right hand for C, and the left hand is playing this. So in all we have right, or along with the 6, 7, 1. I'm show you that in time. Right? So this could be a 1 if you want to be a bit more fancy. So the right hand is playing this. The left hand is playing that. Right? Or you can just simply play that. Or you can play this. There are so many ways you can play the 1. So this part would be the most tricky part because you're moving from here to actually get that timing correct. So that's the melody. And that's basically this chord, we're moving it up a semitone. So every single note, we move up a semitone and bring them back down. Right? So guys, give it a shot.